standing arm workout today with dumbbells. We're going to hit the shoulders, biceps, and triceps, starting with a quick bodyweight warm-up to get things activated. So set those dumbbells aside and let's get started. All right, so just start with a march. We're going to be incorporating the shoulders a little bit more. All right, raise those arms up overhead and push out. Press up, push out. Still keeping with that march. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Get nice and low. Side step with some shoulder raises. Get a little lower. Just moving back and forth. Warming up the upper body. Getting ready for the jam-packed workout ahead. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Meet in the middle. We're going to do some arm circles. Just setting those arms in nice little medium-sized circles. And if you want to incorporate the feet, you can add a little heel tap forward. Reverse directions in 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Reverse those arms. This is our final move of the warm-up. And then we don't look back. Give me 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, grab those dumbbells, starting with the shoulders. So we're going to hit some classic push presses, then we'll add some pulses at the bottom of the move towards the end. So put those dumbbells on your shoulders and press up. You got it. So we got a quick workout today. Nice soft bend in the knees, which means that once you start to feel the burn, you really don't have to stay in the discomfort for too long. So push yourself and don't give up. There's your pep talk. All right, show me 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Pulse it. 1, 2, up. 1, 2, up. You got it. Just some shoulder burnouts. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh, all right, quick little shoulder taps. Kind of an active rest move. You don't actually have to touch your shoulders if your dumbbells are spiky. Is that the word? Pointy? You got it. Keep raising that dumbbell. Active rest while still getting in some work. Show me 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Turn those dumbbells. Palms are facing away from the body. Raise up to the top and back to the bottom. Around the worlds. You got it. Still with that soft bend in the knees. Nice and stable throughout the body. Show me 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. You're almost there. 2, 1. All right, second final shoulder move. We're going to raise up and push out. So front raise, front press. Situation, multi-moves. Bringing those dumbbells to about shoulder level and then resetting. 8, 7, 6, 5. You got it. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Oh, reset. Roll those shoulders back. Final shoulder move. Place those dumbbells together. on one side of your body. You're just going to kind of trace your head. This is what it looks like from the side as far as where the dumbbells are. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Body is shaking. All right, moving on. Let's do some classic bicep curls. We'll get some multi-move action in the mix. All right, so we're gonna do some half bicep curl and newspapers. Show me 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Fully down, halfway up. This is a newspaper. Bring those dumbbells out, in, curl it up. Out, in, curl. You got it. You're almost done the video. How did we get here? Arms are already on fire. Show me 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, hold it here halfway. Newspaper finishers. Show me 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Moving on to the triceps. We only got a couple moves here, so push it home. We're gonna do a slight bend in the torso and just kick back those dumbbells. You got it. Some classic kickbacks with a little pulse finisher. And then we're on our last series of tricep moves. Show me 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold it out. Mini pulses. Up an inch, down an inch. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Active rest for the triceps. Palms face the body the whole time. Just going to orbit that lower body. Tap and tap. We're pretty much done. We're gonna do some pulses to finish, leaving those dumbbells facing the booty. Show me 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold them back. Palms are facing the butt, and just tap it out right here. Dumbbells are tapping. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Still here. Flip those palms facing outside the body and touch. Burning out the triceps. Show me 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Wow, amazing work. Another upper body workout done and dusted. If you enjoyed this video and you want to support me, leave a comment saying best arm workout. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.